Hi everyone. Today's topic is what is hashcode. Now we are discuss about hashcode. A hashcode is a integer value that is associated with and with each object in Java. Its main purpose is to facilitate hashing in hash tables, which are used by data structure like hash map. The hashcode method, the hashcode method in Java, the hashcode value of an object is written by calling the hashcode method on that object. This method is implemented by default in the object class and is therefore inherited by user defined classes as well. This method returns the same integer value when called when called on the same object during the same instant of a Java application, provided that no data used by the equal methods is modified. Okay, when hash code is called on two separate objects which are equal according to the equals method in it returns the same hashcode value. However, if it is also called on unequal objects, it will not necessarily return different integer values. Hashing is the process of mapping on the data some representative integer value using the concept of hashing algorithms. Okay, in a Java, a hash code is an integer value that is linked with each object. Hashing finds its data structure implementation in hash table and hash maps. The Java hashcode method. The hashcode in Java is a function that returns a hashcode value of an object on calling. It returns an integer or a 4 bytes value which is generated by the hashing algorithm. Hashcode method in Java. The process the process of assigning a unique value to an object or attribute using an algorithm which enables quicker access is known as hashing. In the hashing algorithm, the hashcode method maps some keys there with their values. The values are stored in certain memory location using the available hash data structure such as hashmap, hashset, and hash table. Okay, these are then retrieved using the said keys for different operation that we need to perform. Now we are discuss about implementation of hash code in Java. Okay, now that we are done with learning about the different type of hash code in Java and their syntax are parameters, let's go ahead and write some code. Okay, we are going to work with some objects first and the work with the unequal ones. The expected output is that the unequal ones we will have different hash code, but the same one will have the same code hash code. We will also try find out the hash code and the string learning hash code in Java. You might be wondering what is benefits of hashcode in Java. Take a look at the following functionality to understand this better. Okay, hashcode in Java helps the program to run faster. For example, comparing two objects by their hashcode will give the result 20 times faster than using the equal function. This is so because hash data structure like hashmap internally organized the implements is in array based data structure. So while the equals function first check if two objects are same and then the compares the value of the object's attributes, uh, it is used for more efficient storage of data collection. The facilities uh, quicker access. The values are stored in array like buckets. So when we want to locate and value by using in hash code, bucket located very easily. And thank you. This all about what is